This video gonna share with you that the stay experience at this Fairfield by Marriott Phnom Penh. I'll be staying here for a few nights to share with you that the stay experience, the room, the facility, the breakfast, and the benefits for the titanium guests. So I'm going to show you the check-in facility right over here. To check in is at 27th floor. It's very high floor, very unique. So I'm going up to show you the check-in area. Now it's a level 27. I think that's the check-in counter. The view here is quite good though. I'm happy to share with you that I got an upgrade as a titanium guest. So as a titanium guest, you were able to choose between a 500 point or breakfast. So I got quite a long stay right over here. I think breakfast will be the better choice. I have no idea what's the difference between a deluxe room and the standard room. Because based on what I see on this floor plan, all looks the same. So once you come inside here, on the right side is a fridge, empty fridge, big enough to put my MacBook, kettle for drinking water, instant coffee from Bon Cafe, decaf and the regular, and then green tea and English breakfast, 2 mug, emergency torchlight. Oh, okay, that's nothing here. And the steam ironing board is right over here. Let me show you the view first. Ta-da! Hui! It's amazing. It's very beautiful. It's I think it could be the tallest hotel here, I guess. Wow. Yeah. You can capture a very beautiful IG story. Here is my room. Here gonna be my work desk. 2 universal power plug and 2 USB port. The TV, lovely thing to share with you. It have the mobile connection and the internet can connect to the browser like that. On the bedside, there's 1 universal power plug, 2 USB port, a lamp, a day bed right over here. Yum. Oh, it's a very soft bed. I like. And right on the other bed side, there will be 1 universal power plug and 2 USB port and switches. I think. Oh, both sides have the switches. It's good. So let me show you the toilet. There's a hand wash right over here with the power plug right over here. The hair dryer is over here. It looks plastic enough, but I think, based on the design, it looks like a powerful hair dryer, bidet, and a toilet bowl. So this is, you have to watch your step. It's a little bit tricky. The bathroom is very spacious, and oh yeah, lovely. That's a place for me to put my skincare, rain shower, handheld shower, and if you need privacy, when you stay with someone, you can close this like this. So when you're using the toilet, you won't see clear, but you can sneak over here into the toilet to be cheeky one. Let's check out the bed with a dark light or UV light. So far I can see it's very clean, lovely. So now I have to do the bed test. I need some light. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey! It's a hard bed. Hey! So it's like slightly bouncy bed. So you can see that the pillow is like bouncing when I shake. Hey, let's test the pillow. Oh, that's pillow I like. It's hard and firm. This is a bouncy pillow, and so far I jump and I do all this pillow test. My nose just get a little bit itchy, so not that bad. I had a good sleep though. I leave the window open and then like the sunlight just like shine bright to the room, and I woke up 6. And I lay on the bed playing my foot until 8 something.
It's almost night. I'm going to show you the breakfast now.
I'm going to show you what you can get for the breakfast. The coffee you have to order from the staff. Then we start from the bread over here, the pastry. I like the cut fruits over here. The fruit selections are very good. They have this kumquat thing and the mango, and this one is quite nice, quite tasty. The papaya they eat with a lime. You just squeeze the juice, and I don't think it's orange. It's a mandarin orange. Then cut fruits orders. Then over here, there are the waffle and the jam orders, muesli, cereal. I have not tried this yogurt, but I love the carrot juice. It's very nice, and they use the lemongrass for you to stir. And over here, there's a salad station, or lots of condiment. I'm happy with this too. Good protein for me. The ham, the sausage salad. That's a noodle station. I'm not sure what soup they have. Hello. And you can just pick whatever you want and pass to the chef. And then bacon, ham, then vegetable lasagna. I have not tried this and doesn't look good to me. Pork sausage, chicken sausage. Then they have this salted egg congee. I wanted to try, but I'm quite full already, and the plain congee. Then the condiment for the congee. The beef fried rice is average. Steamed rice, then the sweet and sour fish is average. But this roasted honey chicken is really good. And this large half, it tastes very good to me. And I'm happy with this grilled eggplant and the potato. It has a very nice view right over here, but can be a little bit warm beside the window. Oh wow! Actually, the swimming pool is actually quite nice, but today they're going to close for private event. Oh, I like it. The view is quite nice, and yesterday is not that hazy. It'll be quite a beautiful time to soak. Wow, it's nice. Lovely to share with you that the gym is 24 hours and the equipment here is very new and up to date. It has equipment that I need, so perfect for me. I'm come back for exercise later. I'm going to check out now. It's time. Sorry, time to review the stay experience. I actually quite like this hotel. I think that for the price that I paid is very reasonable. The location wise, is in a very heavy traffic area, but it's near to the airport. It is actually near to most of the places. It's just like it has a bad traffic. In this things that I like about the hotel is like most of their staff are very good looking for the male staff, and female staff is all not bad. They are very friendly. I have no issue to speak in English with them. No issue with the communication. Breakfast wise, I think is reasonable. There are some items it's actually changed every morning. Then you can try the local food that I think is quite or acceptable to eat because it's not something scary, so everyone should be able to try the local food. Then I love the gym. 24 hours gym is very good idea. I have a very good workout, and I have a very beautiful butt now because at the bench, like the leg press is all amazing. Yeah, sexy. Then things that I don't like about the hotel, it's not a big deal. It's just like the upstairs. Whenever elite member, you get 2 vouchers for the welcome drinks. The drink is quite average, but they have a quite a nice view. I'm think I'm in a quite a weird season. For the day I check in, it's beautiful. It's like but now it's like very hazy, foggy outside. You can't really see much now. I don't have any noise issue right over here. I have a very good sleep. Then what else I would say? I did not use a swimming pool because like the air quality is quite bad, so I don't want to breathe in more the air right over here. Then I will recommend you to stay here. I think it's not a bad choice. Although that this is a deluxe room, but I think it's perfect for one person. Even though the 2 person, you can just open up all your luggages to display the item for you to easy to access. For the shower wise,
I count to 5 seconds, then I'll get hot water. I think it's quite amazing. The housekeeping, they are very attentive to clean up everything very well, and I like this smart TV that I can connect to, watch the YouTube, all these things, do some of my research for my next trip. So yeah, come and stay here. Bye bye.